Hello everyone, this is the second part of the Photoshop Advanced for the assignment Street Art. In this video I'm going to teach you how to create a poster slash sticker. Okay, first things first, I have this image of a piece of paper which is kind of destroyed. I thought I'd use that for my already kind of dusty wall. So I marked the layer and I've pretty much selected the entire image. And I'm going to copy this one into my main image. I'm going to use the transform and try and turn it a bit around so it actually has a true poster look. I'm going to remove all the white from the image, and I'm probably going to scale it a bit down as well, like this. I think that looks nice. I'm going to add drop shadow to it, and I'm probably going to do some more stuff to it, to the image, to make it look more true to the rest of the background. So we'll go to brightness and contrast. I'll probably decrease it a bit, like that. We'll go into adjustment levels as well, and make it even more dark, something like that. Now we can always add to this specific layer. We can add the multiply, so it looks like it's a wet document that has been there for some time at least. Next thing is that we want an icon to our poster, and I have this guy here, and we're gonna use some of the same techniques as we used in the typeface. So I'll start off just removing all the white from the image, like that. I'm gonna click select, and I'm gonna go to color range, and I'm gonna choose shadows, and OK, Control C and Control J as in the previous task. Back to the original image, select color range, and midtones this time, Control C and Control J. So now we have these two images here. You can kind of see the difference in the lines when we have all these activated, and we are going to adjust a bit more now. So we're going to layer 2. Sorry for that. Now we click edit, fill, and we're going to use 50% gray, and the same blending options as before. Click OK, and now you can see we kind of messed a bit with the image as well, so it starts to look a bit better. I think actually we're going to use this one. I kind of like the colors, so we merge the layers like that, highlight it, or sorry, not highlight, just mark the entire image, Control C, back to the original, and Control V. Then we just start resizing it a bit so it fits this poster, something like that. And I can see that I forgot some white areas here. Just delete them with the magic wand. I see it still looks like the colors are too bright compared to the piece of paper that the icon should be on. So we can always work with that. Just go in the layer assets and click multiply, and we just choose, where is it? There we go. And it starts to look like something at least. We can probably do some more stuff. What if we add a drop shadow? We can go to image adjustment, try and work with the brightness as well. There's not that much editing, I guess. I think it's kind of okay as it is right now. So this actually looks like a poster on this wall. That is one technique. There's another one for the sticker itself, and I've already cheated because I've made it here. I'm gonna scroll in a bit so you can kind of see. The technique here is similar to the task that we made for the hand tag. How you actually create this is a bit more to it because I've also added some brushes, so I'll just quickly show if you want to. So we have this image here. If I control left click it, and then I have the shape of everything here. Then I can go into select, modify, expand, and expand by 20 pixels. I can then add background color to it if I want. Sorry. Like that. Now if I didn't want the text with me, I could always just delete that like I've done on this image here. but that is basically the idea for this one. And I can highlight it, Control C, and I can get it back in here, and I can start scaling it down to the format that I want. And again, I should probably remove the white areas we have here. Now you notice that I have a bit of splatter on this this image. That's because I've been playing a bit with the brush. You can go into your brush tool here like that. Then you can just choose any of these brushes here, and you can always just scale the pixels down as you want them. You can choose a color that fits your needs, and you can start clicking. Oh, sorry. All around this image, how you would want it. There's so many different, and it's just basically playing around with it. But that's how you create a sticker. And same thing here. We'll probably play a bit with the color and the brightness of it as well, to make it look a bit more like it's got too dark probably. And we can go to the levels. Scale it a bit more down, and the layer setting we can add multiply as well, so it starts to look like it's actually a sticker. I've also added, like, cut off some of his left arm. It's basically how you would want it to be. I just found it a bit tricky with the text, and so I just moved it. But this is actually a guide on how to make a poster and how to make a sticker. It's fairly simple techniques. I hope you could use it. Take care. Thank you.